Need to replace the rear forward control arm. I don't know if it's called an upper control arm or not. I don't know, but parts in the description. Now, you will need to know what year. So say if like this is a 2011, you need to know when the vehicle is produced, because they'll have two different size holes, which I'll show you later once we get further through the job. So stay tuned for that tip. 19 millimeter. This right here is a rear forward control arm. It's just one bolt, one nut. It's that easy. And this was quoted at almost $1,000. So just think of how insane that is. And that's not including alignment. But that's the reason why we're getting it, is because you can't really align this. This thing's shot. I mean, it's just one big chunk of rust. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that. But first, what they didn't mention in that $1,000 bill was, man, look at that brake job. Wow. That looks terrible. Whoever does that needs to be fired. But that's not what I'm here for. I'm gonna just start off the front because it's the easiest. We'll just take an 18 millimeter. Now if this doesn't come out, leave it for now, because we're gonna go ahead and focus on that bolt neck. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that same 18 millimeter deep, and I'm just gonna slide it back here in between the spring, and then I'm gonna access that bolt from just right there with a 10-inch extension. Now we can get this out. I'm gonna see if wiggling this would help me get that out. You really have no clear path back there. Oh. And there's your long bolt. And just pull that straight out. Here's the new part. Now, this is why it's very important to know what the manufacturer date was, because this hole is a bigger hole, so this bolt can go through it like that. So this one matches. Now, if you get the wrong year, if you get the wrong one, this bolt wouldn't go through it. It's too small. So they kind of up the size of this factory hole at a certain point. And there's a short on my channel where you can see when your manufacturing date was, and that'll let you know, because the parts will even ask you, was it from this date or was it after this date? So that's why it's very important to know this information. I'll kind of reverse the process and see how it goes. See what I mean? It's unfortunate because that spring's in the way. You have no clear. If you got really long arms, you can reach all the way around there, which I can barely do, but that's what I'm gonna do it. So there we go, that's in there like that. And then don't tighten that bolt until you've gotten this outer part put in. I kind of adjust them to be the same length. You're still gonna need a front end alignment. You're not, or a rear end alignment. You're not getting out of doing that. And we'll try tightening up this one first, see how it goes with the one in the rear. Is it still 18? Yes, that's still an 18, so that's good. A lot of times you can get aftermarket parts, they're different sizes. So we'll do the same thing with the rear. We'll snake around. And there you have it. And like I said, if this side looks like that, you might as well do the other side for the alignment. So since this video is so short, do a little bonus material. Let's do the other side. that. Brakes look better over here. I guess they just, when they did that other side, they just said, hey, I give up. So same thing, just gonna snake back here, like so. Got that bolt out. Look at that. Stake this right back there like I did before. There you have it. That's it. So that was about what, 15 minutes? 20 minutes for $1,000. So there you go. There you go. Hope this video helped. Hope I saved you a lot of money, and if I did, smash that super thanks button. Help this channel grow so I can keep making these videos and saving you hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars. Buy some merch, get some LED bulbs, do what you can. But if not, like, subscribe, and see you guys next time.